I'm going to use polymorph. Delios, can you please make a wisdom saving throw?
Fuck.
That is not going to do it. Delios, you are a frog. You can move, but you cannot take the sun sword with you.
It's low-key.
How is it you break polymorph again? Just...
You have to do 1 HP damage to yourself. How
Yeah,
far below this is?
You just like fall backwards onto the stairs.
Well, I was going to say,
I
I just...
put that move at the start of the game.
Yeah, actually, how far down are the stairs behind me?
But he's only a little frog.
That's 15 feet down.
Okay, I guess I'm just jumping off the stairs.
Down the stairs, off you go, throw yourself off.
Jump up the stairs, TJ.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Alright,
leap
so
off
the
the stairs. So I'm gonna jump here.
You leap off the edge, descending 20 feet, and end up taking 2d6 damage. You take 7 points of damage, but you revert back to your regular form. And the
So does that
Sunblade
mean I
is
take
active
6?
once more. That's so dumb.
So I now...
Was that just
Yeah.
movement, technically?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Just movement.
Let's go!
Let's go!
I'm gonna use my climb speed to climb
You can
back
use
up
your-
20
yep.
feet. Bonus action dash. I'm gonna hit this bitch.
Yeah, you still have a main action. Polymorph has disappeared from me. That's ridiculous.
Oh my god!
That is ridiculous. 3 natural 20s.
Jesus.
2 natural
Eh.
20s are destroyed.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
the fourth, that's the third one against Strad.
You just see the frog leap off, and then a couple seconds later, you see a clawed hand of Delios come back up. Yeah, the frog jumps off the edge, and then you just see the sunlight appear directly up. And then you rush up and
If
slash.
you've seen Attack on Titan, where like,
Oh, the
What's his
wall,
name?
the top of the wall.
yeah, the colossal Titan just like appears.
Yeah.